Today we're going to be making some shredded ranchero chicken and rice. What we're going to need is some chicken breasts, frozen or unfrozen. I use jasmine rice and some paste and some spices. You're going to want to start off by getting about 2 cups of rice, rinsing it off. Rinse it off good. I found the better you rinse it off, the better the rice cooks. Get 2 cups of water and slap it in your Instant Pot for 4 minutes on manual. When you put it in the Instant Pot, make sure you set the stopper on the top to not venting, so it goes in the middle. It'll take a few minutes to warm up, then it'll cook for 4 minutes, and after it's done cooking and beeping at you, give it another 10 minutes until it naturally releases. When it naturally releases, you can pop the top off and scrape your rice on out. Put your chicken breasts in there. So I use frozen, so I'm going to cook mine for about 11 minutes. If you don't use frozen, you can cook them for about 7 to 8. I use about half a jar of paste too, and I like the hot kind. Dump however many spices you want in there, whatever spices you usually put on chicken. I use Slap Ya Momma, cumin, and salt and pepper. And you can put in about 1 or 2 cups of water or chicken stock. Set the timer for 11 minutes if you're using frozen, again, and make sure the stopper is on not venting. Once it's done cooking and your Instant Pot beeps at you, give it another 10 to 15 minutes to naturally release the seal. The way we're going to shred this chicken is we're going to take 2 forks, stick 1 fork about an inch apart, hold it with 1 fork, and kind of pull down and shred it along the lines of the chicken. You don't have to completely shred it into strings, but I usually make them about 1-inch little pieces. Continue to do this for the other 2 breasts. If you're feeling bold, you can also pour the stock and the spices from what's left over into some Tupperware to make some soup later. You can finish off this meal prep with your favorite greens. I used bagged spring mix, and you are good to go.